Okay, what up, what up, what up? It's your girl Jonna here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we have another hair review, and this is from the hair company called Recool Hair. They reached out to me and they sent me some hair, so let me take out and see what's in this bag. They provided some 3D eyelashes, guys. I'm loving these eyelashes these hair companies are sending with the hair. Like, they are raising the bar, I'm telling you. They gave us and they gave us a wig cap. Finally we got the hair. So this is the packaging. This is how the hair came, right guys? It is 24 inches, 180% density, and it is a 13x6 lace front wig, guys. I am so excited to install this wig. Okay, so let me remove this mesh and allow you guys to see the texture of the hair as you get it. Okay, so this is their body wave, right? This is how the body wave looks straight out of the package. It is a very dark brown color, as you could see, but it feels very soft already. I'm so excited to try this, guys. Oh, let me allow you guys to see the hairline. So I'm leaving this on so it would be better for you guys to see how the hairline came. So they did provide baby hairs, which I love, and the knots do not appear to be bleached, but this is how the hairline is. It is pre-plucked, which is lovely. Oh yeah, guys, and the color of the lace, it is a brown color, which most hair companies, when the human hair companies, the color of the lace is usually it's white. I don't know if that's like transparent lace, but it is white and it shows up a lot on my skin color, and I find those are harder to blend in. But since this is a brown lace, I should not have any problems blending in this lace, which is a godsend. Right, so this is how the lace is on the inside, so you could see how much parting space you're gonna get. So as you could see from the sides, there isn't much parting space on the sides, but around the center area it's a large parting space. So you have one comb at the center, you have two combs at the side, and you get one comb at the back, as well as you have some lace to work with at the back, which is nice. Let's get right into styling this hair, guys. Okay guys, I'm back, and yeah, this is like smelling like something like frame chow. Anyway, so yeah, so this is how the lace looks after it's been laid. I really like how this side came out, but I'm not too fan of how this came out. It looks so straight, but I mean, I'm gonna put some baby hairs on this and it's gonna be good. But anyway, I want to start with, since I'm gonna be doing the style I'm gonna be doing 2 braids to the back. So this is the final look that I got with this hair, guys. Recool hair, you did that, guys. Let me tell you this, I did not pluck this hairline. This is basically how the hairline will come. The hairline is pre-plucked, and this is the first pre-plucked hairline that I find blends in so well with my scalp. Like, guys, like even on video you guys know how the lace shows up a lot as opposed to how it is in person, but this one here, it doesn't even show up on camera. Like, what? And in person it looks so blended, guys. Like, y'all, I'm so shocked right now because this look came out like exactly how I wanted it. And they gave you baby hairs. Like, I didn't have to do, like, this wig is beginner friendly. I'd say this wig is 100% beginner friendly. Like, if you're new to the game, you don't know what to do, you don't have to do much. Like, I bleached the knots, guys, because to get that most natural looking seamless look that you're gonna get, you should bleach the knots. But if you do not want to bleach the knots, you could apply makeup. That's another option. But the hairline, guys, is wow. Recool Hair stepped the game up with this wig. I am so impressed. I would recommend you plucking. If you're gonna part this wig, you're gonna have to pluck. But I mean, you could apply makeup, but plucking and applying makeup would give you the most natural looking, most natural look. Like, as you could see here, it looks very natural, and you wouldn't be able to tell that I'm wearing a wig. I mean, obviously if you come up like close up to my face, you would see like, yeah, I got a lace on. But I mean, it looks very natural. Like, I go out the house like this and I'm be feeling like a baddie. Like, y'all got nothing on me. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, let me talk about this hair. This hair is very soft. I kind of apply some water to the hair a little bit, not much, and then I braided 2 braids, one here and one on this side, and I let it stay for probably like a day or 2, and then now I'm coming back here. I just undo the braids. This is the kind of wave pattern that I got with this hair. I'm gonna go into pros and cons of this wig. It is a 13x6 wig, but however, it's like the center region goes back to about 6 inches, but the sides go to about 2 inches. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So the track starts approximately about here, so that's about 2 inches in my opinion. From here up, this would be the center region, and you get like about 6 inches back, so it goes like that. Like, that's kind of how the construction of the wig is. But I find that is a con because I mean, there are other hair that I've worked with that I find, like, even though it may not go all the way back to 6 inches, they still give us like a good amount of parting on the side, maybe probably like 4 inches, I would say. But for pros, let's talk about this, how soft this hair is. Soft, y'all. It didn't shed much, just opposed to like when I was plucking, the parting, that's the only time the hair came out, obviously. But other than that, there wasn't much shedding coming through this hair when it was wet and stuff, which is a big plus, because like when I was bleaching the knots for other hair companies, I find the hair shedded a lot more. And then I did the watercolor method in getting this hair jet black, because like I said, guys, I like my hair jet black. If it's gonna be black, I like it jet black. Okay, so I'm just gonna insert a clip showing you guys the length of this hair. So as for shipping, I think the shipping came pretty quickly. I can't remember how long it came because I had other wigs coming in, especially during COVID. It didn't take long. Does it tangle? Okay, you guys, with this texture, I realize you get some snags here and there when combing through the hair. I mean, it's hair, you're gonna get a little knot here, you're gonna get a little knot there. Recool hair. Recool hair. Thank you. I find this wig amazing. I 100% recommend this wig to my stubbies. This wig right here is big head friendly. It fits my head. I had no problem getting this wig to lay down like that's another pro, guys. It being big head friendly, it not the hair not shedding much, the hair not tangling much, the hair being soft. I don't have anything bad to say. Recool hair, like what, like guys, the only problem, like, is, I wouldn't say it's a problem, but like I wish, like, it's just like about the 2 inches kind of parting on the side that I didn't like. That's all. But other than that, guys, I would say get this wig. If you're looking for a body wave wig, if you're looking for a 30x6 wig, get this wig. I 100% recommend getting hair from this company, because like, look at it, guys. You be the judge of this hair, guys. Like, look at it. Look at it. Just know, look at the hairline. This hairline is all them. This hairline is all them. They did that hairline, guys. I didn't do anything to that hairline. That's what they gave. And this is what I plucked. Like, as you guys could see, had zero problem plucking. The hair takes the dye, black hair dye, pretty well. Did not bleach pretty easily. I have nothing bad to say. Okay, so thank you, Recool Hair, for collaborating with me. I really enjoyed doing this review for you guys, and stay tuned to see my other YouTube videos, guys. Toodles.